Hi to everyone. In this video I am going to discuss about the priority questions of the linear equations in two variables. In this one they will ask solve the linear equations graphically. They will like that. The linear equations to solve means definitely they will give two linear equations. Suppose a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 is one linear equation. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 one more linear equations. Any equations solve graphically, either it is consistent or inconsistent, means there are only three ways are there. The three ways, if you remember, you can easily tell the graph how it will come. Either it is intersecting graph will come, parallel lines graph will come, otherwise coincident lines graphs will come, like that. How will you decide all those things means, the first point is a1 by a2 and b1 by b2, c1 by c2 you should observe. For this one, first a1 by a2 and b1, for a1 is here, this one is a2, b1 this one, first one equation, this is the second equation. These are the, for this first equation, a1 first coefficient of the x, coefficient of the y. Compare those two, a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. For this one, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 if it is coming like this, means the coming graph will be intersecting graphs you are going to be get. And next second one is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. That means the coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient and the constant terms, if you observe all those things, the lines will be coincident lines you are going to be get. Coincident lines means one above the other, like that. And that last one is third point, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. If it is like this, means you are going to be get parallel lines as a solution. In the graph you will be get as parallel lines. Let us consider with some basic examples. In this one, first 2x minus y minus 1 by 4, y x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Consider a1 by a2, 2 by 1, 2 by 1, then you will be get as 2. And b1 by b2, if you observe minus 1 by 1, then you are going to be getting as minus 1. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 you are getting. So the coming in, so graph will be intersecting lines graphs you are going to be get. Similarly, for the second one, if you observe a1 by a2, 2 by 4, 2 by 4 nothing but 1 by 2 you are going to be get. b1 by b2 minus 3 by minus 6 means you are going to be get as 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equal to minus a, here both are equal. If both are equal means you have to be consider one more thing also, that is 7 by c2. Minus 8 by minus 9. Minus 8 by minus 9, this is not equal to this one. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 means the coming graph will be parallel lines you are going to be get like this. Third one, if you observe like this, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. For this one, if you observe a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 2, b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by minus 3, both are not equal to, so directly you will get intersecting lines. Similarly, you can find the remaining. For example, this coincident lines, one more example I am discussing. The a1 by a2 is 5 by minus 10, b1 by b2 is minus 3 by 6, c1 by c2 is minus 11 by plus 22. If you transfer this one this side, minus 11 by 22 you are going to be get like this. a1 by a2 is 1 by 2, this is minus 1 by 2, this is here minus 10, no? So this is 1 by 2, here also minus 1 by 2, here also minus 1 by 2. All are equal, you are going to be get like this. So the coming graph will be coincident lines you are going to be get like this. You practice the remaining problems also same as this. And one of the comment I got that how to find the common point for the intersecting lines. Suppose if you are taking two equations, 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0 and x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 if I consider like this. Those two equations, you should solve those two equations and find the x and y solutions. Those x and y is nothing but the solution, and that is only the common point for the both equations. That's it. That means how to solve these two equations. So many methods are there. That is elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method. You can use any one of those 3 or 4. In this one, how to solve this one means 2x minus y is equal to 4. This is first equation as it is I wrote. This is the second equation. Second equation I am going to equate the first x coefficients. So multiply this full equation with 2. Then you are going to be get as 2x plus 2y. Transfer this one to that side. Then minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Elimination method, change the signs here. X coefficients will be cancelled. Then you are going to be get as only y. Minus y minus 2y nothing but minus 6y. 4 plus 2 is 6. So y is equal to 6 by minus 3. That is equal to minus 2. This is the y coefficient. Y variable we got as minus 2. Substitute this one in any one of the equations. Substitute directly. In second equation I am going to be substitute. This one x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. No? X plus. In place of y I am going to write as y minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to plus 1 I am going to be get. So the common point of this equation is x plus x comma y is equal to 1 and minus 2 I am going to be get like this. This is the common point for both the solutions. Check whether 1 comma minus 2 is the intersection point, common point of the both two equations or not. For this one, consider those two equations and solve those two graphically. They will ask, no? So for this one, x y for the first graph, first equation, and for the second equation, x and y. In this one, 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. No? If you are taking this thing, if x equal to 0, if you are putting y is equal to, you are going to be get as minus 4. One time x 0, one time y 0. I told you it will be very easy for these things. If y equal to 0, if you are going to prepare, if y equal to 0, then x is equal to, you are going to be get as if you are transfer that one, y x is equal to, you are going to be get as 2. Okay, next, if x equal to, our solution is 1 comma minus 2 is a common intersection point, I told, no? So if x equal to 1, if you are taking directly, you are going to get as y is equal to minus 2. That is x equal to 0 minus 4. If x equal to 2, y equal to 0, and if x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2 is the points we are going to be get like this. And for this second one, x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. In this one, if x equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. If y equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. And our solution is if y is equal to minus 2, then x is equal to 1, you will be going, if y is equal to minus 2, you are going to be minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. If you transfer that 1, plus 1 you are going to be get. Substitute the values. If x equal to 0, y equal to minus 1. If x is equal to minus 1, y equal to 0. If y is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 1. Now graph of this equation is x-axis, y-axis, negative. For this one, first 0 comma minus 4 means x should be 0 and y is equal to minus 4. This is the point. 2 comma 0 means x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 0 on x axis. 1 comma minus 2 nothing but here you are going to be get like this. If you draw the line for the first equation, we will get like this. This is the first equation, nothing but 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. Now draw the graph for the second equation, x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. 0 comma minus 1 means x equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. This is the point. Minus 1 comma 0 means minus 1 is x-axis, minus 1 comma y coordinate 0 on x-axis, this one. 1 comma minus 2 means x is 1, y equal minus 2 means this is the point. This is the join these lines points. This is the equation of the second line, x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. This point is nothing but the intersecting point which we solved before only by elimination method. Like this we are going to be get the graph of this solve these equations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Wisdom Online Max channel. For any further doubts on each chapter, please comment me. And for online classes, please contact me on maxonline2021@gmail.com.